Hello. Today we're going to discuss Denta Water's quarter 2 fiscal year 2026 earnings plus their future outlook. That is, what do they think their revenues are going to be in the coming few years? So let us start. First, we will start with the earnings, the quarter 2 fiscal year 2026 earnings. Here we have September 30, 2025. These are the earnings. We're going to compare this to September 30th, 2024 earnings. Okay. So first, all these numbers are in millions of rupees. So we will convert them into crores. It's only one decimal place. Revenue. Revenue from operations increased from 482.89 million rupees or 48.2 crores. It increased from 48.28 crores to 74.269 crores. Increase of more than 53%, 53.8%, somewhere around that is the total increase. There was some other income also of 2.6 crores, massive increase from the 16 lakhs 12 months ago. Expenses increased from 33.3 crores to 51.2 crores. Okay. Profit before tax increased from 15.1 crores to 25.6 crores. And finally, profit after tax here, profit after tax increased from 11 crores, 11.05 crores to 18.92 crores, a growth of 71.2% according to my calculations. I could be wrong though. So profits rose by 71% faster than revenue. They grew faster than revenue. And the tax expense, they paid more taxes. They paid 6.7 crores in taxes compared to 4.05 crores 12 months back. So taxes increased. So overall, good earnings. The earnings were pretty good. Okay. Then let's take a look at cash flows. Okay, good were the company's cash flows? Let me actually first of all zoom out a bit. Yes, we will compare cash flows from operating activities. So net cash flows used in operating activities were minus 30 crores. Yes, cash flows used in operating activities was minus 30 crores, though it's slightly better than the minus 46.8 crores 12 months back. So, yeah, cash flows are not the company's strong suit. They're really not. They're not the company's strong suit. Um, okay, okay. So not good cash flows in the slightest. Now, now let's take a look at the company's future growth outlook. Okay, management has said this about the company. So first, the company's order book, that is the customers, orders from customers it already has right now. Its orders book as of today is 734.739 crore rupees. Considering their overall order book, most of their projects do intend to complete either this year or in the year fiscal year 2027. So order book 734 crores. And this year, fiscal year 2026, they will try to cross revenues of more than 300 crores. Okay, more than 300 crores. We will take a look at fiscal year 2025's revenue and compare it with this. Okay, don't worry. Then moving on. The projections, okay, so the projections for fiscal year 2026 were 300 crores or slightly higher. Then for projections for the fiscal year 2027 is 30% more when compared to progress which we are going to make in fiscal year 2026. So essentially revenues of 375 to 400 crores and EBITDA margins around same. They have said that they will try to maintain the EBITDA margins. I think currently 33%. They're going to maintain that. They're going to try and maintain that. So fiscal year 2027 earnings expectation 375 to 400 crores from 300 crores around in fiscal year 2026. And they will try to bag orders to the tune of 800 to 1000 crores. They will definitely achieve by the end of quarter 3 or quarter 4 of this year. Now, the language is a bit confusing to me. Do type down below. Are they saying they're gonna have a total order book of 800 to 1000 crores by quarter 3 or quarter 4 this year? Or they're saying that they will try to get more orders to 800 to 1000 crores, or 800 to 1000 crores additional orders to their additional order book, the current order book. So I think they're saying they will bag in orders from 800 to 1000 crores. I think they're meaning more orders, but I am not sure. We will bag an order to the tune of rupees 800 to 1000 crores. Will bag an order. They will bag an order. Okay, they have said an order. So I think they mean more orders of 800 to 1000 crores. Okay. I'm assuming they mean that they're going to have additional orders of 800 to 1000 crores by quarter 3, quarter 4 this year. Then for fiscal year 2028, they foresee a revenue of 500 to 525 crores. So fiscal year 2026, expecting 300 crores of revenue. Fiscal year 2027, 375 to 400 crores of revenue. And fiscal year 2028, 500 to 525 crores of revenue. Let's take a look at the company's last revenue. Okay. Profit and loss statement. The sales. You have the years. Sales of 203 crores in fiscal year 2025. Slight decline from last year. They said that this was nothing to worry about. Basically, their biggest quarter is the quarter 4. And what happened in quarter 4? The projects were completed. The work from customers was completed, but there was a delay in revenue recognition. So there was a slight delay in when they could recognize the money from customers. And what happened was that revenue from quarter 4, a good part of it was delayed into the next year's quarter. So that's why 2025 earnings were low. And again, the quarter 4, I think, is the biggest quarter. So basically, from 203 crores, they're trying to increase all the way to 300 crores in fiscal year 2026. Then the numbers we have already discussed. Let me see this. Uh, Hold up. 239, 2.2. Okay. I was just doing a bit back calculation. EBITDA margins, 33%, 34% I'm trying to maintain. I will see what they meant by that 800 to 1000 crores. But I guess we can ask. We can ask, right? We can ask. Hold up. Okay, we're gonna ask Google AI. So we're gonna ask them about this order book. So where is it? Yes. Let me copy this. Okay. I'm gonna paste this to Google. Yeah. Okay. So paste this to Google. So this statement is from Denta Water's latest on call. What does it mean? Okay, let's see. Let's see. All right. Uh, Secure new projects. Okay, new projects. So new orders in addition to its 734 crore order book. Let's see. So Google AI says, yes, the new orders are expected to be in addition. Okay. So 734 crores is the order book, and they're thinking to add another 800 to 1000 crores worth of orders. All right. Okay. So Google AI says this. So I'm believing them. So yeah, that is it. That is the video. I think Denta Water is aiming for sustainable, nice, profitable growth for the future. That is it. Bye bye.